Hi there, here we are with our patient Ali, and we did a max harvest procedure on him.
I love it. It's honestly the biggest boost to your confidence. I have nothing to really fear. I go out, tie my hair up, I let it down. Pretty much happy with the result.
Basically what we did is we went through and we completely strengthened the entire hairline. This was just super thin all the way throughout.
For me to be sitting here and doing this video, I just hope that it helps out, and I hope that it helps other people.
That's the suture line right there.
People take the red eye in.
I always show the whole thing so there's no smoke and mirrors in here.
Just do it. I'm telling you, you just gotta do it. Literally worth every penny.
Congratulations, buddy. Thank you for doing the video for us.
Oh yeah, of
we
course.
Really appreciate it. Holy smokes! It works!
Yes, it does.
Wow!
I've changed my life completely. Very happy, man. Everybody's excited. They can't believe it, and they're happy for me.
Now we did a Max Harvest Plus hair transplant procedure on Amir.
Is this real? Nobody notices.
That's where he started. That's where he is today. He doesn't have to do a second procedure. He looks great, but it would be great to have one more pass, and he can get away with doing even a smaller procedure than what he did before.
I owe you so much. I don't know what to say.
Your happiness,
I'm so thankful.
your happiness, and you showing up as your payment, man.
Thank you.
I'm so happy for you. Hi there. Here we are with our patient Rod. We did a Max Harvest hair transplant procedure.
The first procedure went amazing. I was very pleased. I just wanted to go ahead and get a little bit extra density on the top, and I'm very confident that the results will be amazing. This is the man. Dr. Bolton is amazing. I'm very comfortable. I've sent several of my friends and colleagues here. This guy is the one. The best surgeon in the country.
Thank you, brother. I appreciate that. As you can see, it just completely reframed him. Looks nice and natural. The suture line right there. So you can kind of see it underneath there. Anyways, I want to thank you for doing this video.
Thank you, Doctor.
Congratulations. How do you like everything?
I'm very satisfied. Wow, I can't believe you didn't lose any hair at all. So I haven't seen these guys in 20 years.
They said they can't believe you didn't lose any hair at all.
It went really smooth. Honestly, 2 days later, it was great.
Excellent, excellent. So there was no hair, just really cool stuff. And what we did is we were able to take them all the way around. I'm just going to kind of do a quick little profile on you here, so you can kind of see it from all the different angles here. And what would you say to someone who was in your shoes and was thinking about doing this?
Don't even think about it. Just go ahead and do it. It's like, this guy's great.
Awesome, man. Well, thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Thank you.